Okay, and 3-3 math boxes. Number 1 says Louisa has 5 bags that each hold 5 peaches. She drops 6 peaches. How many peaches does she have now? Write number models to show your steps. Number models and steps is plural. That means you have more than one. So first I would start drawing how many groups and how many you have in each group. Then she drops 6 peaches. If she drops them, is she getting more peaches or is she losing peaches? Write your answer with the unit. Number 2, circle the number of X's that you can draw in an array with 2 equal rows. If I have 2 equal rows in an array, could I use 14 or would I have to use 19 X's? Draw that number of X's in an array with 2 equal rows. So if you chose 19, have 2 rows and a total of 19 X's. If you chose 14, have 2 rows with a total of 14 X's. Can you make an array with 2 equal rows with an odd number of X's? Yes or no? Number 3, 14 books are equally shared among 3 children. You may draw a picture. How many books does each child get? With a label, you guys, unit. How many books are left over? With a unit. Number model, draw your number model. Remember, if we have any left over, that's saying we have a remainder. So if you have any extra, you have to write your number model and then remainder and whatever your extra is. Solve. Remember, this is like saying 15 minus 7 equals 35 minus 7 equals 85 minus 7 equals. It's just on the opposite side. Look at what you notice and look at what they end with. And finally, explain how you can use basic facts, fact 15, take away 7, to help solve the other number sentences in problem 4. 15, take away 7. How could I use this one to help me solve the rest of them? All right, keep up the great work, third graders.